How did you install LFS? Phew. First learn how to use Linux before attacking me. You don't understand us elitists.
What if I told you that there's a way out from under the iron grip of the bloated legacy of Billy G? I must warn you, it's a rabbit hole that you may never want to climb back out of.
A man died installing LFS. He then came back to life when it worked.
No BS here, folks. You came for it. Look at it. It's about midnight now. Linux from scratch. On this SSD is an operating system, a Linux operating system that I compiled from scratch.
This guy was able to install LFS all by himself. Alive. How do you feel to be the first to install LFS?
It was great, and apparently I've never been on live television before, but apparently sometimes I don't watch the news.
It's a great machine. It's a step forward in terms of the way it uses graphics and the speed. And this is a machine that a lot of people are going to be able to afford. That's a very, very useful machine.